tropical rainforests, so called because of the large amount of rainfall, house approximately two-thirds of the Earth's animal and plant species. The rainforests are often called the jewels of the planet because of the amount of natural medicines that can be found there. Between the forest floor lies the understory, which houses a variety of birds, lizards, and snakes. It's also home to various predators such as boa constrictors, leopards, and jaguars. The leaves are also much larger here, which makes for a larger insect presence. The amount of undergrowth is restricted by the amount of sunlight received. The jungle floor receives the least amount of sunlight, which decreases the amount of growth. This allows passage for humans and wildlife. Should the forest canopy be thinned or destroyed in any way, uncontrollable growth will occur underneath.